Hello, welcome to this evening's edition of E Prime. I am Daedran. Not Nice has released his latest project titled We Are. It features dancehall and reggae heavyweights Romain Virgo, Jack Cure, Taurus Riley, Tassan Chin, Richie Stevens, Nordia Mothersill, Julian Marley, Sanchez, Javinci, Etana, Jesse Royal, Richie Spice, Maxi Priest, Wayne Marshall, and Kalia. Not Nice shared with E Prime the reason for the project.
Being great artists for one track, the inspiration behind this, with what is going on, I really got the idea from an Virgin Crown. The feedback I'm getting from the song is pretty great. It was even posted by the Prime Minister. It came together very well, and proceeds from the track goes towards the Rice Foundation.
American comedian Steve Harvey reminds Jamaicans to stay inside. The video posted on the Ministry of Health and Wellness's Instagram page carries the caption, "Jamaica, we have a special message for you from our friend Steve Harvey. Let's beat COVID-19 together. Hashtag Tanayoyad. Hashtag JACOVID-19.
To my beloved Jamaica, please be careful over there. You have got to practice social distancing. Stay away from each other. Quarantine, stay in the house, stay home, stay safe. But you have got to wash your hands. Wash your hands continually. Stay safe, Jamaica. Come on, man. I love you.
That's it for this evening's edition of E Prime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching from home.